In this video, I want to show you how to create a new lockup in your Pi wallet. Open your Pi browser. Click on Wallet. Here, enter your 24 passphrase and click on Unlock with passphrase. To access the page to create a new lockup, click on Lockups. Click on Create Lockup at the upper right corner here. Then you can click on Read More to read about the lockup setting if you want. Here is the lockup economic model. And here is the formula if you choose to go into details. To create a new lockup, choose your lockup percentage. Immediately, you will see your boost rate here based on the lockup percentage selected. Then choose your lockup duration, which could be for 2 weeks, 6 months, 1 year, or even 3 years. Also, the boost rate will be shown here. The total approximate boost rate will be shown here. Finally, click on Create. This will create your new lockup. Thank you for watching.